Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 20th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from AMH, a leading owner, operator, and developer of single-family rental homes. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. AMH has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives in the housing market.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. AMH reported a net revenue of $455 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, which is a 4.2% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on what drove this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by higher rental rates across their single-family properties. This increase in rents and other property revenues helped AMH achieve a net income of $123.8 million for the quarter. Additionally, their core funds from operations, or core FFO, rose to 47 cents per share, aligning with analyst expectations.
And how does this compare to their adjusted FFO?
The adjusted FFO, which accounts for recurring capital expenditures and leasing costs, was 44 cents per share. This reflects a 6.5% year-over-year increase, indicating strong operational performance despite the costs associated with maintaining and leasing their properties.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, AMH has shown impressive operational efficiencies. Their core net operating income from same-home properties increased by 3.5% year over year. What factors contributed to this?
The increase in core NOI was driven by a combination of higher rental rates and effective cost controls, particularly in property tax expenses. AMH also maintained a high occupancy rate of 95.0%, which is crucial for sustaining revenue growth. Furthermore, they announced a 10% increase in their quarterly dividend, reflecting confidence in their cash flow and future prospects.
They also repurchased $150 million worth of shares in the fourth quarter. How does this impact their financial strategy?
Share repurchases are a strategic move to enhance shareholder value, especially when the company believes its stock is undervalued. This, combined with the dividend increase, signals a strong commitment to returning capital to shareholders while maintaining a robust balance sheet.
Strategic initiatives and market position. AMH has been active in expanding its portfolio. They delivered 490 newly constructed homes in the fourth quarter. How does this fit into their overall strategy?
AMH's strategy focuses on expanding housing supply and enhancing the resident experience. By delivering high-quality, energy-efficient homes, they are not only increasing their portfolio, but also addressing the housing affordability issue. As of the end of 2025, they owned over 60,000 properties, positioning themselves as a significant player in the single-family rental market.
They also published a green bond allocation report. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, AMH allocated 100% of the $595.5 million net proceeds from their green bond issuance to eligible projects. This demonstrates their commitment to sustainability and responsible investment, which is increasingly important to investors and stakeholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, AMH has delivered a solid performance in the fourth quarter of 2025 with strong revenue growth, operational efficiencies, and strategic initiatives that position them well for the future. Their guidance for 2026 suggests continued growth in core FFO, ranging from $1.89 to $1.95 per share.
Indeed, AMH's focus on expanding their housing portfolio and enhancing shareholder value through dividends and share repurchases is commendable. Their commitment to sustainability further strengthens their market position.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AMH's performance in the comments below.